A brief history of Ducketts Grove Castle. Ducketts Grove is a ruined 19th century great house and former estate in County Carlow, Ireland. Belonging to the Duckett family, the house was formerly the focal point of a 5,000-acre estate and dominated the local landscape of the area for more than 2 centuries. The interior of the house was destroyed by a major fire in the 1930s. Ducketts Grove was built 1745. Originally, the structure was designed as a standard 2-story over basement Georgian country house. From the mid-1820s, it was redesigned in a castellated Gothic revival style by English architect Thomas Cobden, the then owner and head of family, John Dawson Duckett. This extension of the building was funded by a number of previous strategic marriages into wealthy merchant families and resulted in some of the original Georgian features of the building being removed or hidden. The building incorporates a number of towers and turrets of varying shapes: round, square, and octagonal. One tall, solid granite octagonal viewing tower rises from the structure. Ducketts Grove is further elaborately ornamented with oriels and niches containing statues. After the death of William Duckett in 1908, last in the male bloodline, his second wife, Maria Georgina Duckett, lived on in the property until 1916. By this time, she was no longer on speaking terms with her only daughter, Olive Williams' stepdaughter. The outcome of this was the disinheritance of her daughter following her death in 1937, leaving her what is known as the Angry Shilling, just 1 shilling, from an estate valued at £97,735 equivalent to £8 million in 2024. Following the departure of the Ducketts, the estate was managed by agents until 1921 and was subsequently managed by local farmers and later by the Land Commission. The division and sale of the estate lands were completed by 1930. During this time, the building was empty. During the War of Independence, it was used as a base by the local IRA and its flying column. Possibly due to Duckett's good treatment of their tenants and employees over the years, the interiors and furniture were left intact upon the IRA's departure from the house. The house was destroyed by fire overnight on April 20, 1933. The exact cause of the fire has not been determined, however. Locals reported a minor fire the week before, which they had managed to extinguish. This led to speculation about the cause of the eventual destructive fire. In September 2005, Carlow County Council acquired Ducketts Grove and commenced with the restoration of 2 interconnecting walled gardens. It was officially opened in September 2007 for use as a public park.